This is a device mounted on the tractor body. Its purpose is to rotate and mix grass, straw, or fodder. The mixing of straw and hay to make animal feed is essential to preserve food reserves, avoid spoilage, mold, and avoid health problems for livestock.
H9240 is a high-end
axial flow rice combine harvester from KSIH, equipped with a 16.16-litre Cursor 16 diesel engine and a maximum power output of up to 634 horsepower. The ProDrive automatic steering system
and intelligent control system
make it easier for operators to use
and increases harvesting efficiency.
Furthermore,
Combining the independent classification system
and the AccuGuide automatic steering system helps to increase cleanliness
and accuracy during harvesting,
ensuring the end product has the best quality. The harvester's width reaches 8 meters,
increasing the harvesting productivity to 4.3 miles per hour.
France cider production is famous
in the northern region. A machine is used to shake ripe apples from the trees to ensure the quality of apples
used in cider production. This machine can clamp the apple tree trunk tightly and use a vibrating mechanism
with a vibration frequency ranging from 10 to 30 Hz to help the ripe apples fall without damaging the trees.
The machine can also adjust the vibration level
accordingly to fit each type of fruit.
Next is a concentrically using
structured apple harvester
to harvest apples on the ground. The scattered apples are swept up by the machine's fan blade
and conveyed on a conveyor belt. To ensure quick and efficient harvesting
without compromising quality, the machine has multiple layers of sweepers
and cushions to minimize impact during harvesting.
In a field in southeast Georgia, peanut growing season has arrived and a large tractor,
equipped with an automatic seeding mechanism, is at work.
On an area of 10 hectares, the use of the tractor
and the installation of the sowing mechanism took less than a day to complete. On a hill, a monster tractor digs a planning hole. Why do I say monster? Because its 4 wheels are all chained and equipped with powerful engines.
Did you see it right? $720 is one of Fendt's
advanced and efficient harvesting machines. It is designed to meet carrot harvesting needs.
It has many modern mechanisms, such as a manned DOE36 engine
with a maximum power output of 200 horsepower,
smart harvesting mechanisms, and improved features. The manufacturer estimates that this machine
can harvest 8 to 10 tons per day, depending on the type of food to be harvested. Nipro SZR302J is used in agriculture and horticulture
for grooving.
Attaching the Nipro SZR302J to the large tractor provides quick and efficient fold generation,
facilitating the division of fields.
The image you are currently seeing is
the John Deere 9500 I combined harvester and a Massey Ferguson truck.
Both are working together to harvest grass.
The John Deere 9500i cuts the grass
And brings it into the threshing and grinding compartment onto the container using a blower tube.
Common crops harvested using this machine include wheat, soybeans, rice, corn, grass, straw, and many other types of plants. This machine has a powerful engine
Designed to increase harvesting efficiency.
The John Deere 8600i is also a specialized harvester from John Deere
With a powerful engine of up to 625 horsepower.
thanks to its diesel engine.
It is equipped with an automatic steering and wheel lock system,
making it easier to control the machine.
In addition,
Its small turning radius makes it
convenient to move in tight spaces.
the harvesting capacity of the John Deere 8600i ranges from 300 to 400 tons of grass per hour,
Depending on factors
such as weather and grass characteristics. The machine can operate continuously for many hours and maintain high performance.
saving time and effort in grass harvesting. Paper device, specifically the Halara Farrell Vega Feed Sweeper Wheel Type Octo 15,
which is used in the livestock and agriculture industry.
to sweep and collect all kinds of feed ingredients, different such as animal feed from a large area.
The purpose of using this mechanism is to collect feed
Ingredients from the ground,
such as grass,
straw feed mix, or the brewery's used grain. It is appreciated for its ability to efficiently collect feed ingredients from large areas. With a rotating wheel system, it can move flexibly on the ground and efficiently store feed stock.
a cattle rake was devised to ensure the health of livestock and livestock. This type of machine relieves the itching of animals by scratching their skin.
Soothing itching caused by insects.
Miraculously, this machine is used to dredge.
And suck mud in the riverbed. Do you know what the name of this machine is? Let me know in the comments below.
And don't forget to click like.
Share and subscribe to the channel.
Agriculture.
Engineers have created an orange harvester machine to assist farmers in harvesting.
This machine has 6 location standing positions and helps harvest oranges about 3 meters high.
Quickly and conveniently.
With this machine, everybody can harvest oranges from any position without worrying about missing any.
Or having to move around a lot. The Avant 745 is a specialized device manufactured by Optimal to cut, move and transplant trees.
The machine uses a cut-land system to safely and efficiently remove trees from the ground, with the ability to move trees with a diameter ranging from 20 to 60 centimeters and a trunk height from 60 to 240 centimeters. The machine also supports tree transplantation,
allowing for quick and accurate repositioning.
The utility feature of Avon 745 is its ability to move plants flexibly and efficiently without affecting the plant's root system and growth potential.